Byton reveals K-Byte concept autonomous sedan. In January, China-based dev startup Byton flaunted its first ID Auto, an electric SUV intended for Level 4 self-governance, at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas. The organization additionally said it would take after the dispatch of that SUV, which it expects to offer in the US, with a vehicle, and later a minivan. Recently, Byton reported it has raised a large portion of $1 billion in a subsidizing round, and opened its worldwide base camp in Nanjing, China. Today, the organization has disclosed its second idea, an electric car called K-Byte. With innovation from its accomplice, independent driving innovation firm Aurora, the K-Byte will be fit for Level 4 self-ruling driving, which means it can work without human information or oversight in specific conditions. The equipment for self-sufficient driving is incorporated into the visual outline of the K-Byte concept. The Lebo framework on the rooftop uses front and back LiDAR for an all-encompassing perspective of the auto's environment. Leguard side lidars convey from underneath the side mirrors in self-governing mode, and withdraw when stopping. They can likewise light up to get the consideration of different people. Byton likewise included shroud surfaces on the ID Auto's sash, with light strips making 3D visuals.